Hey guys! So, if you've been suffering from knee pain, you know just how much it can hold you back. I mean, walking, climbing stairs, or even sitting for long periods can become a struggle, right? That's exactly how I was feeling before I discovered Ageless Knees, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. I used to think that knee replacement surgery was my only option. But after hearing about the risks, like infections, nerve damage, and a long recovery period, I was like, no thanks. That's when I found Ageless Knees, and I'm so glad I did. This program is so simple, and honestly, it only takes 1 minute a day. Yes, you heard me right, 1 minute. And with Ageless Knees, you're not just masking the pain, you're addressing the actual cause of it. It's all about strengthening and stabilizing your knees naturally, without painkillers or invasive treatments. Over 23,000 adults have found relief from knee pain with this method. I was skeptical at first, but after just a few weeks of doing the routine, I already started feeling stronger. The pain isn't completely gone yet, but I can definitely feel the difference, and I'm so much more mobile now. If you're worried about being too old or not flexible enough to do the exercises, don't be. The program is designed for everyone, no matter your age or flexibility level. And you don't need any special equipment, just your commitment and a minute of your time each day. Honestly, I was amazed at how effective such a simple routine could be. No surgeries, no expensive treatments, just pure relief. If knee pain is holding you back, give this a shot. I truly believe it can change your life. So, if you're ready to feel better and get your knees back to feeling strong, make sure you check out Ageless Knees. The link's in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips and reviews.